Okay, welcome back Grade 6 to our class. On lesson 5, we're going to do ratios and proportion. We'll deal much with ratios. Proportion, we'll just look into a bit of it. So if you recall our example in class, we were talking about a plate and sweets in them. So and in the examples in class, I can remember very well. We were talking of probability. So if somebody gives you a plate and he asks you what's the probability that you pick a red sweet from this, and he ties your eyes, you are blindfolded. So you would easily say that the chances of picking red, you just count 1, 2. So there are 2 with the total. How many sweets are in this plate? The total number of plates of sweets here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let us fix this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'd say it is 2 out of 8, right? So, and this is the same thing we're going to do here. It's the same thing we're going to do. I just didn't count them, right? And these other ones will be 6, of course. These other ones will be 6. So let me fix that first before we continue. So the number of things that you can see, the number of red are 2, the number of blue are 6. So simple, straightforward. In the same manner, to get the ratio, you do the same thing to get the ratio. So I want to get the ratio of red to blue. Red to blue, I just do the same thing. Red to blue, red to blue. I just count. How many reds do I have there? I have 2. How many blues do I have? I have 6 blues. The ratio is over. Simplifying. Simplifying now. Simplifying. Simplifying is easy. I just check. Okay? I just check. We have 2 is to 6, right? And the same here was going to 6. 2 is to 6. I can divide here by 2. I can divide here by 2. I can divide by 2 both places. So if I divide by 2 in both places, because remember, why am I dividing by 2? Why am I dividing by 2 is very important. Why am I dividing by 2 everywhere? Because I can see that 2 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor of 2 and 6. Remember, common factors of a number of 2 numbers, x and y, is just a single number that will divide x and will divide y. So here, 2 can divide x and can divide 2 and can divide 6 at the same time. So 2 divided by 2, your answer is equals to 1, and 6 divided by 2, your answer is equals to 3. So this is the ratio in the simplified form. This is the ratio in the simplest form, okay? This is the ratio in the simplest form. Let us look into some more examples. Okay? You have a situation where now you're talking about real life situation where you've gone into a class and you found that the number of students, total number of students is 20, while the number of boys is 15. So somebody asks you, first of all, this question that I've given you is a direct guide. So what is the number of girls? Number of girls will be, so we know that boys are 20, number of girls will be 20 minus 15. I'm going to name this one A. What do you get if you do 20 minus 15? 20 minus 15 is 5, right? That is the number of girls. Number of girls is 20 minus 15 is 5. Okay, B. What is the ratio of girls to boys? Ratio of girls to boys. So girls to boys is equals to, how many girls do we have in that class? We have 5 girls. How many boys do we have? How many boys do we have? We have 15 boys. So that is the ratio of girls to boys. Simple as that. Simple as that, nothing more. The ratio of girls to boys is that. So now let us go into the ratio of boys to girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? Simple. We go again. See, the ratio of boys to girls is also very, very simple. Boys to girls will be 15 is to 5. Simple, just direct. So what is the simplification? What if I want to simplify ratio simplify girls to boys? Now, question D, we want to simplify now. Let us simplify. To simplify again is quite easy. So we want to simplify girls to boys. How do I do this? So I know that we have 5 girls, we have 15 boys. So I look for a number that will divide 5 and will divide 15. That number is 5. Okay, sometimes it can be here, it can be 10, and here it can be 15. So that number would have been 5, and then it would have even been 2. So if I divide 5 by 5, what do I get? I get 1. Then I divide 5 by 15 by 5, what do I get? I get 3. Again, luckily the ratio are going to the same thing. What about boys to girls? The 15 is 2. 5, we divide by 5, and I divide by, here I divide by 5. This would be 3 is 2, 1. And these are the ratio simplified form. Okay, ratio of boys to girls simplified is this one. So what if you go to another different class and then you find that we have total students are, I'm gonna pick a random number. Let me pick a number like total students are 24 students. And then we have girls. Girls, I'll pick a number like, let me pick 16. 16 girls. So what is, so boys, we don't know. Question mark. So boys is equals to 24. Boys will be given by the number of boys here will be 24 minus 16, which gives you actually an 8. Okay, so ratio of girls to boys is 16. 16 is to 8. So this is the ratio of girls to boys. And then what is the ratio of boys to girls? So I can even simplify this. I can divide by a number here. Let me divide by another number. I don't want to write it here. Let me come and write it here. Let me divide this other one. Boys to girls would be 8 is to 16. Okay, so let me simplify this first. And to simplify this is very easy. Let me simplify. I can divide here by 4. Let me pick another color. I can divide here by 4. And I can divide this one by 4. Because 4 is a common factor. And I'll get a 2. And I'll get here a 4. Still, I can divide by 2. I've not finished. Then I can divide here by 2 again, which will give me final answer to be 1 and this 2. So this is the final ratio, 1 is to 2. And the same here, if I divide here by 8, and this side also, I divide by 8. The answer here will be 2 is to 1. So boys to girls, even if you simplify it, just interchange the numbers. And that is our class for today. Thank you very much. I'll send you some classwork to check and see how good you are getting this stuff. Thank you very much. Until we meet again, Grade 6, thank you very much.